Hey, how are you? Thanks for checking out my video. I'll make a sweet potato and I'll make a russet potato. So what I'm gonna do is the russet potato, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on because we do like the skin on those. On the sweet potato, we don't eat the skin, but I'm gonna just poke some holes and I'm going to use a liner. So this one, I'm not bothering to put any oil on it because we're not gonna eat the skin, so it's fine just the way it is. And this one, oiled it up, and we're gonna set it for 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it and put them in for another 20 minutes and see how close it is to being done. 20 minutes, 400 degrees, and then we will flip it, and then we'll see if they're done at 40 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna just flip the potatoes. And I'm just guessing, but I don't think they're gonna be done at 40 minutes. I gotta put them on 20 minutes again, but I don't think they're gonna be ready, and the reason why I don't think so is because they still feel really hard, and that size potato in the oven would take at least an hour and 15 minutes. I like big ones because I can split it, half for my husband, half for me. Okay, our potatoes are done, and they ended up taking a full hour because they're so gigantic. Like I said, they're both over a pound. So they're done. I'm gonna show you how we like to do our sweet potatoes. Okay, so me, I'm simple. I like butter and salt and pepper. That's how I like it. You know, a lot of people like to put marshmallows on sweet potatoes, but usually what we do for him is we just put butter, and then on mine, of course, I gotta have some salt and pepper, kind of a lot, so that it tastes good. And so what I have a little shaker here that has cinnamon and sugar in it, and for my husband's potato, of course, I put a good chunk of butter on there, and it's gonna be salt, pepper, and cinnamon and sugar. That's the way he likes it. So I'm gonna dress the, not Idaho, they're actually russets, with sour cream and butter. So there you have it. There's mine, sweet potato with butter, salt, and pepper, and a baked potato with butter and sour cream, and my husband's butter and sour cream on his russet, and butter, salt, pepper, and cinnamon and sugar on his sweet potato. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day, and thanks for stopping by to check out my video. Take care.